Hi, Mom, what are you doing? I am digging a hole. But why are you digging? I am digging a hole because I plant a tree. What is the tree's name? This is the apple tree. How do it grow up? It grows up at slowly fast. Hi, sir. Can you help to me? Of course, I want to help you, but why have you needed help? Because I am founding a bank. Where exactly is the bank? Please go straight and turn left. There are a new buildings in front to the bank. Hi, Mom. My birthday is coming up after 2 days. I remember it, so I have arranged a birthday party. Who are called in the birthday party? Your cousins and friends are called in the birthday party. I want that you have a fun of lot. Thank you, Mom. Noun understand the name of person, thing. Noun, kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, materialist noun, and abstract noun. Proper noun, Subhash is the brilliant boy. Subhash proper noun. Common noun, the cow gives us milk. Cow, common noun. Verb, understand, working or actions. She leave go, verb. Verb, adverb modifies to the verb. He was fast. He runs slowly. Fast, slowly, adverb. Prepositions: in, on, with, beside, between, across, above. Interjections: it, understand, the adding to the sentences, such as but, or. Present indefinite tense: I go to the school. He eats rice. He comes here. Present continuous tense: I am eating the rice. He is going to the school. Present perfect tense: I have left to the station. I have left to the stations. I have come here. Present perfect continuous tense: I had been coming at this place. I had been going to your house.